Are you guys serious right now? A Samsung smart fridge.
Well, what's wrong with that?
What's wrong with that is the fact that Samsung makes some of the worst appliances and devices in the world.
Do you know how long did I have to wait for this fridge to be delivered?
A few months, and I honestly don't care.
Well, I guess we should go grocery shopping right now because our old fridge became unfixable and all the food in there started to rot.
I honestly hate this stupid fridge so much. Like, why did my parents pick a Samsung fridge of all fridge brands? I will make sure they learn their lesson and get a different brand fridge next time.
Skylar, what the hell is wrong with you? I can't believe you decided to smash our new fridge while me and your mom were out grocery shopping at Walmart. That's it, you're grounded until we get a new fridge tomorrow morning.